Today, I will be showing you how to schedule a home tour through Homes.com. First, go to the Homes.com homepage and start browsing for houses that you're interested in. You can scroll through the listings or use the search and filters to narrow down your options. Once you find a home that you like, click on the listing to open the full property details page. On the specific house listing page, look to the right side of the screen where you'll see the listing agent's information along with contact options. Next, click on the Send a Message button. A small pop-up window will appear where you can enter your contact details and message. After entering your details, scroll down to the bottom of the message window. Here, you will see an option to request a tour. Select your preferred date and availability for the home tour. You may also include a short message if you have specific questions or requests for the agent. Once everything looks good, click Send Message to submit your tour request. And that is how to schedule a home tour through Homes.com. Thank you for watching.